Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Awards podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, October 1st, 2025, and we have a great mix of awards headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline. HackU announces 7 honorees to be recognized at 39th Annual Conference. The Hispanic Association of Colleges and Universities has announced 7 honorees to be recognized for their contributions to improving opportunities for college students. The awards will be presented during HackU's 39th Annual Conference, taking place November 1-3, 2025, at the Gaylord Rockies Resort and Convention Center in Aurora, Colorado. HackU, as the nation's leading voice for Hispanic-serving institutions, has been instrumental in securing support for programs advancing higher education, such as the HackU National Internship Program and Leadership Development Initiatives. Felix V. Matos Rodriguez, Ph.D., Chancellor of the City University of New York, will be inducted into the HackU Hall of Champions. Other honorees include Tito Guerrero, the Community College of Aurora, Global Edu Consortium, Dominion Energy, New Mexico Higher Education Department, Cabinet Secretary Stephanie Rodriguez, and Virgilio Barrera. Learn more about the 2025 HackU awardees on their website.
America's Moral Cliff. Dr. Susan Reynolds stand to protect Medicaid. Dr. Susan Reynolds, President and CEO of the Institute for Medical Leadership, warns of a crisis facing America's largest healthcare safety net, Medicaid. With nearly 26.1% of Americans enrolled in the program, proposed federal cuts could lead to 1.8 million rural community members losing coverage by 2034. Dr. Reynolds emphasizes that Medicaid is more than a budget line, it is the lifeline for millions of Americans. She calls on voters to recognize the importance of Medicaid, lawmakers to consider the human impact of budget decisions, and the media to keep this issue visible. Dr. Reynolds' upcoming Chief of Staff boot camp aims to prepare healthcare leaders for the moral imperatives of protecting programs that safeguard our most vulnerable.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Awards podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.